Went out and got a sketch pad for my daughter and realized that I haven't been doing any sketching for many years. So I've been doing the sketching. Anyway, how to draw an abstract bird from little scratch marks that my daughter made on the paper, and then you make an object from it. You ever play that game? I'm trying to move on from that, but I haven't done that I haven't done that in 25 years, so I thought I'd give it a try. Well, I had 3 sons from before, and now I have a daughter. So I had tried that before, but it's been 25 years. Anyway, that's enough of that. I'll get back to drawing the real stuff soon.
I used to see you standing right by my side. Now you're off with some other guy. Well, you lived on the ground, but your head was living in the sky. This is true, that's what you do. This is true. We lived on the ground, but your head is living in the sky. It was only for a while, but I was never hurt nor did die.
The nose actually should be farther back towards the brain area, like right in here. The nose should be actually over here in the brain area, closer for the nasal. Of course, you get resonating also.
This is true, that's what we do. This is true.
I gotta get a better light. I gotta get a better... I don't know how to do better. Just gotta do. Forget the better. Just deal with what you got. And don't turn that on. That's the back room here, and I'm glad we don't turn that on. A lot of kid stuff drawing, but that's a good place to start. Since I haven't been drawn for a while, it's definitely a good place to start. My daughter's helped me out. She just makes a bunch of lines on the pad and I just fill it in. It's kind of fun, actually. I'll show you an elk I did for 20 years ago.